Hey, what's going on, guys? Morgan Wallace here, Director of Sales for Cardone, Canada. Guys, today I want to share one simple strategy that we use in our office every day that improves our appointment show rate by about 42%, okay? That strategy is very simple. It's called the selfie video. Now, you may have heard about this. You probably see people taking selfies all the time. I know I go down to the gym and it's like a freaking photo shoot. Everyone's taking selfies, but how do I take that and apply it to making money? Well, it's called the selfie video. It is probably the simplest thing that you can do to actually reach out and make a real contact with people, okay? Especially in today's, I'm filming this right now in 2020. You're not even allowed to be near people. But this video allows you to add a personal touch to your sales game. So how would you do it? You're gonna pull out a phone and you're gonna record a very short 25 to 40 second video introducing yourself, sharing a little bit about why you're gonna meet with that customer, maybe showing the product if you sell like a physical product like a car or maybe a trailer or a tractor or something like that, touring your office space and then texting that to a client. So why would I wanna do that? Well, because it puts a face to a name. It shows people that you're a real person. It takes you off that just another person calling me and says, hey, this is a real person that's trying to communicate with me. And let's be honest, people like doing business with people they know, people that they like, people that they trust. So you're gonna add the knowingness and the likeness to your game. So for example, if I wanted to send our cameraman Dan a selfie video, I'd pull up my phone right now and say, hey Dan, this is Morgan here, Grant Cardone's office. We met the other day, looking forward to our meeting, Tuesday at 5 o'clock. If you have any questions, text me back here. I can't wait to do business with you. I'm gonna take that video and I text it to my prospect. Hey James, great talking to you today. Listen, I'm here with our CEO, Corey Elief, and his little pupper, Mopar. And Corey was saying that, can we get the dog away if he does the deal this week?
Yeah, we'll give him the dog.
Okay, you get the dog, you get us, you get our entire team. Okay, you get Dan, the cameraman over there. Let's go, James, let's do it, man. It's the right thing.
Let's do it, man. Mopar wants the new home. He wants to come there. Baby, I'm giving the dog away for a deal.
Man, this is Corey's fiance right here.
Not the dog.
Yeah, it's for James, though.
Okay, well then that's fine. James, you can have my puppy.
Okay, let's go, man. Let's do the deal, James. You got this, man. Thanks, guys. That's perfect. So that is a very real stuff video. We're gonna take that, send it to a client right now.
Yeah.
Stay in the game. Everyone will watch the video. You're gonna get out of obscurity. It's gonna improve your show rate, and it's gonna allow you to build a relationship with your client. So use the selfie video in your game today, and check back every week for more sales tips coming at you from Cardone, Canada. Take care.